Welcome to Body Full of Joy. I'm LeeAnn, and this is your Joyful Minute. Have you ever left a conversation feeling drained, bummed out, or tired, and you weren't really sure why? Well, Jane Dutton, business school professor, talks about what she calls high-quality connections. And in her research, she's found that in a very short time in an interaction, we can feel very different based on the exchange that's happening between the two people. If you want to change this, you get to choose to be the starting point of that high-quality connection. You can do this by first taking an intention and then trying things on to see if you can shift the mood or the feeling or sensation in the conversation. Track it in your own body. Start the conversation in a way and then see what happens. Do you feel better? Do you feel lighter? Do you feel heavier? Do you feel down? And then tweak, shift, or adjust what you're saying, how you're being, or even your presence to see if you can actually influence the conversation to leave both you and the other person feeling good. Now, I recommend choosing one or two people to try this with for a week, and maybe choose one person that's easy, that you think you can do it with really well, and then another person that might be hard. Don't tell them who they are, just try it and see what happens. In the show notes, there's a couple of guided exercises that can help you work this practice, and that's it for now. Thanks for coming to Body Full of Joy. If you like this video, check out the rest in the series, and remember, move your body, love your mind.